Let me show you how to make this irresistibly creamy ice cream with just 2 simple ingredients. It is unbelievably easy to whip up, incredibly delicious, and completely sugar-free. Plus, it is low-carb and super healthy. First, take a large mixing bowl and fill it halfway with ice cubes. Add half a cup of table salt to the ice cubes, which really helps to keep the ice cold and slow down the melting. Now, take a smaller metal mixing bowl and place it on top of the ice. Add 2 cups or 480 milliliters of heavy cream and 6 egg yolks to the bowl. Using an electric mixer, whisk the heavy cream and egg yolks on low speed until the mixture becomes thick and smooth and forms soft peaks. This should take about 12 to 15 minutes depending on the mixer's speed and power. Then, cover both bowls with a kitchen towel and place them in the freezer for 45 minutes to chill the mixture thoroughly. Next, take it out of the freezer and whisk it for another 5 minutes to break up any ice crystals that have formed. This will give you a smooth and creamy ice cream later. Now, scoop all the smooth and creamy ice cream mixture into a freezer-safe container or a loaf pan and smooth out the top. Cover it tightly with plastic wrap and freeze it for at least 2 hours. This ice cream is incredibly creamy and smooth with a rich velvety texture that melts in your mouth.
Yum.
The flavor is pure with a subtle sweetness from the cream. It is a delicious treat you can enjoy without feeling guilty. But if you have a sweet tooth and you don't care about low carb, check out this super simple condensed milk ice cream recipe here.